Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safa Tata Zahira, and I will introduce my team. There is Yasini Lasari and Yelsa Julia Safitri. We are from Group D. For material today, we are going to explain about signature enclosure or attachment. So for the first material, we'll read by me. An enclosure is another document you can add to business correspondence, but these documents are complementary and recipient can often understand them without reading your letter. This document remains separate from your correspondence, although you typically place it in the same envelope when delivering a physical letter to college. Many enclosed documents relate to the content of your letter, but readers don't need them to understand its document on its own. Enclosures are common when sending a physical resume and cover letter to employers, as the resume and cover letter are documents that reader can understand separately. However, you can also enclose business material that support a business letter or memo like brochure for clients to distribute your company. And then, an attachment is a type of supplementary document that usually necessary for the recipient of a professional correspondence to understand the content of the correspondence. Attachment typically include information that is additional to what is in a letter or memo and help provide context, visual or extra insight into the details you send to a college. Sometimes, attachments are continuations of a business letter that go into more detail about a topic, but all attachments relate directly to the correspondence you send and make more sense when attached to and explained by your letter. That's all for me. And for the next material, we'll explain by Yelsa. To Yelsa, time is yours.
An example of attachment for a physical letter would be a series of product designs that use staple or paper clip to a letter. Detailing the product is the same process you when the recipients do text. Jadi di sini menjelaskan contoh lampiran surat fiksi adalah serangkaian desain produk. Ke surat yang merinci produk adalah proses desain yang langkah selanjutnya ingin menerima pengambilan dari surat tersebut. Attachment includes well, there are some similarities between an attachment and enclosure. There are also a few differences between when you may attach or enclose a document in the workplace. The signals there are that can affect how you label your additional document when sending business correspondence to deep your understanding. Nah, di sini menjelaskan bahwa lampiran penutup meskipun ada beberapa kesamaan antara lampiran dan penutup ini dapat dibedakan melampirkan atau menyatakan saya pertimbangkan hal-hal berikutnya dan dapat juga mempengaruhi cara Anda memberi label pada tambahan sebagai koresponden bisnis untuk memperdalam koresponden Anda tersebut.
Okay, next, relations to correspondence. And one of the biggest difference between when to use an attachment or an enclosure is how the document relates to the content and purpose of your correspondence. When you need to include additional information about a subject for your reader to understand the concept fully, in, you might attach a document. Attachment provide information you may discuss in your letter, uh, like a graph showing and budgets of several departments that you talk about in your correspondence. Without the letter, the graph may make little sense, and the graph helps your reader understand the letter more clearly. Enclosure, however, don't complete the correspondence but complement it. For example, you might add a document to support your decision for something, like performance report that show your colleague how to choose the amount for your team's yearly business. It's likely that your reader could understand both documents without the others, but the enclosed document provides more context for your correspondence. The enclosure in a letter goes near the bottom of the page, 3 lines below your signature or 1 line below the typist's initial in the case of a regular business letter. Out of the 7 basic parts of a business letter, the enclosure notation in the last section that come before the ended enclosure letter notation include the sender address, date, recipient's address, salutation, body, and closing or signature. Okay, thank you for attention. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.